Hey YouTubers, it's UC Weapon back again, and I have been away for quite a while. I apologise, but I've had a lot of stuff going on recently, and it's finally time to make another video. This is another will they run / repair video, and you see the price I paid for these two. It is $9.99, and I got a Tommy Spencer, and I got a Tommy Salty. I don't know if it's Tommy. They both Tommy. Alright, that's good. So I'm going to go ahead and pop them out the bag. Now I don't know if these will run yet because they are not tested, either of them. So hopefully be a good result. This one's got a broken coupling. And this one looks good. Pretty much. This one's wheels are stuck and the engine is off. So that is a concern. Oh, he hasn't got it in properly. He hasn't got the tab in the slot. Not very good. This one looks alright. Gear feels good. So I'm going to get some basic tools and I'll be right back. Alright, so we'll pop the tender out of the way for now. Now the first thing we want to do is test the drive units. Of course, because we need to see what we're working with. And we've got an old battery, disgusting, lucky it didn't leak battery. Got a bit of corrosion there on the terminal. Doesn't look too good to me. Might have to clean that up in order to get it running. And new battery and nothing. So he needs the corrosion cleaned off and maybe more attention than that. We'll see. Let's have a quick look at Salty. I don't know how people can leave these old batteries in there for so long. He has a bit of corrosion as well. Looks like a vintage Energizer battery. And look at that, it's still got the plastic from when it's held in the box. Very strange indeed. What do you think of that? And no action from Salty either. And I'm going to have to investigate much further. Alright, so what I did was I took them both underneath, the chassis outside. And I rinsed them under the tap, the terminals that had corrosion on them. And one of them was very stubborn, so I had to get a bit of sandpaper and give it a little rub. Then I brought them back in and gave them a test, and they still wouldn't start. So then I gave them a bit of a tap, a bit of a loosen up of the motor, and then it's alive! It's alive! Ha 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 ha! Yeah, Spencer. And Salty is also alive! Ha ha ha! Beautiful, brilliant result. Very happy with that. I'm going to give them both a quick clean up. And then we're going to go and run some trains. I know you want to see some trains run. I haven't run trains for quite a while, but it's going to be good. I'm excited too. Be right back. Alright, so they're both cleaned up nicely and both running really well, and we're over at the layout where we're going to have our own little The Great Race. So here is Spencer from Tommy and Salty from Tommy, refurbished. Off they go. We're over at the turntable, and I'm having some problems with the turntable, so we'll just see if they can turn the turntable. For some reason they seem to be not releasing when I flip the switch. Then I need to pull the whole thing apart and give it a very good clean. So they're definitely turning it alright, which is very good. So next up is Spencer. So let's see what we can do. Oh, your tender gets stuck. The tender is long. But you do turn the turntable beautifully. So, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, that is Spencer and Salty from Tomy that I saved from scrap. Got these two for $9.99 in a bag in a second-hand store, and surely if I did not buy them and get them going to their former glory, they would have just been discarded and thrown in the trash, which is not what we want. Should keep as many of these lovely early locomotives going as possible, because if we don't, then who will? And one day there'll just be none left. So what do you think of Salty and Spencer? And do you think I should do more reviews? Well, do not fret, because I have more reviews coming up very soon. I've got Philip, and I've got Red vs Blue Thomas, and I've also got on pre-order Playrail Brian. He'll be along very soon, so make sure you sub and keep an eye out on my channel. I'm going to leave it there today. Thank you very much for watching.